You know what, guys? I never thought I'd see the day of having a waterfall on some rocks and McDonald's. Pretty cool, I think. Kind of relaxing. Just got back from take my daughter and my wife to the embassy. That thing's processed for the passport. How's everybody doing? You know, it's been a while since I posted. Hope all is well. Hope everybody's having a good day. Good couple weeks. I'm gonna make this short and sweet. I'm gonna probably upload maybe one or two videos today. See how it goes. And thanks for all the views on my other videos in the past.